Summertime on Lake Hawaii is my favorite place to be. Every year these walleyes start up in North Dakota and migrate their way south as summer goes on. Hawaii can be very overwhelming for somebody first coming here just because there's so many points, creek arms, bays, the structure is endless. Some of my favorite places that I like to look for these walleyes are on points with steep breaks, close to deep water, or rocks on them. And it's simply just because that's generally where the bait likes to set up. Another one of my summertime favorite places to be is the trees. There's shallow trees and there's deep trees in this reservoir. And the reason why these big walleyes like the trees and the timber is because the bait fish is in there. The bait fish is in there eating all the little bug hatches that are going on. And the big walleyes cannot resist. So next time you're on Lake Hawaii, check those steep breaks, check the points with rocks, and don't be afraid to lose some lures in the trees.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.